Hi everyone, I'm Claudia Zapata Elliott, Health Ambassador for Methodist Healthcare. As a registered dietitian, I'm so passionate about nutrition and wellness, and one of my favorite parts of the job is creating delicious and good for you recipes. I'm so excited about this latest creation, a smoothie to toast the opening of Methodist Hospital Landmark, Methodist Healthcare's 10th hospital in the region. Even more exciting, they've partnered with Cantera Resort's Spa to sell the smoothie for a limited time and for a special cause. Not only are they neighbors, both organizations are passionate about providing a relaxing, boutique-like, and serene environment for those they serve. Methodist Hospital Landmark, South Texas's premier surgical destination, is conveniently located to the I-10 Loop 1604 corridor and to Cantera Resort. Okay, let's make what we're calling the Berry Brain Boost Smoothie. We're gonna start with some almond milk. And then our main ingredient, which is great for brain health, full of antioxidants, great for inflammation, frozen blueberries. Then we have frozen cauliflower. Don't worry, you won't taste it. This is your ice, substitute for ice, and provides great source of fiber and antioxidants, polyphenols as well. A lot of vitamin C in cauliflower. Frozen banana, rich source of potassium and delicious. We're gonna start with some peanut butter. This provides some protein, and this will keep you fuller longer. We have some vegan protein powder because we need a little more protein in our lives. Again, this keeps you fuller longer, so it's great for satiety. Then we have some cinnamon. This is great for helping keep your blood sugar under control. So if you're diabetic, a little cinnamon is for you. We have some flax seeds, rich source of omega-3s, again, wonderful for brain health and overall health. Finally, cacao nibs. These are wonderful anti-inflammatory antioxidants and delicious. And a little salt, because chocolate and salt always go so well together. You'll notice the beautiful purple color. That's intentional. November is Alzheimer's Awareness Month, and Methodist Healthcare is helping to lead the charge to raise funds for the Alzheimer's Association this year. So please stop by the Loma de Vida Spa and purchase your Berry Brain Boost Smoothie. A portion of every sale will go towards the Alzheimer's Association of South Texas. You can also find the recipe at sahealth.com/landmark. Cheers to your health.